In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do side lying eversion of the ankle. So firstly, when we're talking about eversion of the ankle, all it means is pointing the ankle away from the body. So that is eversion when we point the ankle away from the midline of the body. So side lying is a really nice variation because we can completely relax the ankle, almost bring it into the opposite, which is inversion, and then start doing repetitions and working the full range of what we can at the ankle. So I'm on a massage bed here, and what I want you to be looking at is my right leg. That's the leg that's going to be doing this tutorial. So I'm going to come onto the massage bed. My lower leg can be wherever it wants. It can be straight, it can be bent. I'm going to bring it behind so you can see my right ankle best. And I'm completely relaxed at the ankle, and you'll notice my ankle is actually pointing down slightly in that relaxed position. I'm now going to bring my ankle away from the midline of my body, so pointing it up towards the ceiling. And that would be my first rep of ankle eversion. Slow and controlled back down to the original start position, back into ankle eversion. So each time I'm trying to bring the ankle from this relaxed position all the way up and back down in the direction pointing to the ceiling. You would repeat that for your desired reps and sets, and that is how to do side lying eversion of the ankle.